Hi everyone, this is Kevin, Sticks and Stones. Welcome back to another video. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the merch I had put, or the merch. I had put some polls up, one poll in particular about if you wanted to see some merchandise on the channel. So you guys said yes, 81% of you, so I'm going to put a couple of things on. And as you all know, I like to draw, so here I am drawing, coming up with a logo for t-shirts. And you'll see this in the merch shelf underneath my videos now. And I wanted to just come up with a basic, simple design that I could put on a lot of things and people would recognize, Sticks and Stones, my brand. So I'm just doing a basic emoji here. And you guys know I like to draw, so I'm going to start doing a lot of t-shirts and merchandise and stuff. But not just necessarily here for the channel on YouTube, but I'm thinking of getting into that because as you know, I love to draw. And I have a lot of ideas and a lot of things I like to design. So, but this right here is kind of cool. I figured I'd show you a little video of how I drew them, and some of the shirts and how they became about, or coffee mugs or whatever I'm going to offer on the channel here below the videos. And this right here is Dusty, and he's going to be my main character, and I'll do him a bunch of different ways, smiling and doing things. He'll be on coffee cups and t-shirts and, with different sayings and stuff. But this is basically how I created them. And remember I showed you guys in the last video, or a few videos, of how I would draw something and then put it into a program called Inkscape. And then I would design it, make a vector file of it, and then you can pretty much put it on anything. So this right here is me drawing Dusty, and that was the basic. And then I put it into Inkscape here, as you can see, and then I just, I gave him some colors and everything, and he's a vector, so I can stretch him, I can change him anytime I want. I'll show you some different examples then of what I did with them. But I hope you guys are playing with the program and practicing. I use this in GIMP, which is kind of like almost like a poor man's Photoshop. GIMP is another great program, and I'll have to do a couple things on that down the road. Getting excited to start carving. It's starting to get a little bit warmer out, but we just had a 18-degree day. But right here is the first logo I came up with, Sticks and Stones. This right here is Carve It Up. That's going to be on a lot of stuff, on the t-shirts you see underneath that I have already available. He's already on it. This is another one, and I added a smile to him, and I did all this with Inkscape. Once you have the file, you can change it around. Right? And there's stickers and other things. If you guys have any kind of ideas, definitely let me know. There's what the t-shirt looks like, the first one, and that's available now. Like I said, in the merch shelf below all the videos. So if you guys like this type of stuff, and you have any ideas and you want me to draw, I love designing. So let me know what you might want on a shirt or a cup or a hat. Right? There's another one, Wacky for Wood Carving. I thought that was kind of cool. I'm going to have to make the letters bigger, though. And I'm going to do another one here. This one right here isn't really about wood carving. But like I said, I'm going to probably get a little bit more experience in, like, maybe Printify or something like that, and so I can get better prices and everything. And I'm going to start doing some designs and get into the drawing aspect of things, because I doodle constantly, as you guys can see. I always have pencil and paper out. I like to make my own carvings, but I thought this would be a great idea, and I'd like to do a wood carving about this in the spring too. And this right here is going to be a basic fan. Everybody has a sports team, or everybody has a favorite event or a favorite hobby, whatever. And this is going to be pretty much a #1 fan character. And I thought that would be a great, like, a chainsaw carving idea, or just regular character carving. And I wanted to come up with some kind of basic design, and I'm probably going to put this on a shirt and have, like, a #1 fan football shirt or something. You can put whatever team colors you have on, but not necessarily the name of your team, but maybe it's colors. But I think this would be a great thing to carve, something like this. And so I'm going to come up with a simple design to do something like this, and maybe add it to our chainsaw projects when within the next month or so, when we start carving again outside. As I said a little bit earlier, it was like 18 degrees last night, and today it hasn't really gone much up past 20, and it's windy out where I'm at, and it's pretty cold, so I'm inside doodling. But this right here is basically what I have so far. And I did put a couple of more pictures. I put it into Inkscape, like I said. I did a couple more pictures in color and stuff. And so let me know what you think of this design. Again, this isn't exactly for the wood carving channel, but I'm going to make all kinds of designs. So if you have any ideas or you want me to design something for you, let me know. And this right here is just a little quickie to show you about this stuff came about that you'll see underneath. It's actually all original designs. I did draw them myself. And here it is ready to put on a t-shirt or whatever wording I want, you know. #1 fan, #1 football fan, #1 beer drinking fan, whatever. So I wanted to show that to you, and I wanted you guys to see, you know, what the designs will look like, and there will be some now on the channel and underneath the videos. But if you see stuff like this, you know, I have a lot of different designs I've been making, and in the store I'll be putting other things that don't pertain to wood carving because I'm always drawing. So just ignore those, or if you like those, you can actually get those too. But for now, I'll put what's relevant to the wood carving underneath every video in the channel. And if you have any ideas for designs, let me know. Okay? So I just wanted to share that with you and let you know merch is up. And that's all for this video. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.